Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to automatically or manually update your graphic cards. Okay, let's start. First is you need to locate your cursor here in this Windows icon and do a right click and then go to Device Manager. Once you open your Device Manager, just expand it and go to Display Adapters. Here you can see what graphic is present in your device. Then just select any of that, and then do a right click and go to update driver. Here you have two options. You can automatically and manually update drivers. First is automatically update drivers. If your computer says that the best driver for your device is already installed, just proceed to search for updated drivers in Windows Update. So, the estimated time for Windows Update would be cost of about 5 to 10 minutes depending on your machine, okay? And after that, you can also go to search for browse for drivers manually. Just go to this, let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer, and here you can manually try these two graphics and then click on next and just try any of this that will work best for your computer. Okay, so let's say if you can't update your driver, just have to right click here and then go to properties, and then here it has this five options. Go to driver and make sure that the driver date is at the latest version, and if not, then proceed to update driver and then click on OK. So after that, let's say that your driver is not yet updated, then I'm gonna recommend you a best manufacturer website that you could visit. So let's say if you're using Intel driver, just search for Intel driver and support assistance in Google Chrome, and you'll be redirected here and you can download this for free. So this application is good for Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10. So this will be good for you. And let's say if you are using for AMD in contrast, so just have to simply download this, search it again in the Google Chrome, and then you will be redirected here. And if your Windows is in 64-bit, then go to this one. If 32, then go to this one. Just have to select any of these links. Okay, so those are the steps on how to update graphic drivers in Windows. Hopefully, this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell one to be updated into our upcoming videos, and might as well share this video. Thank you for watching and bye bye.